Brianna is a virtual assistant, AI assistant that is the cheapest teammate you will ever have.
I'm an assistant for Team Owner. We wanted to check in on how things are going with your mortgage and get a
The basic goal of Brianna is that you have someone working behind the scenes, getting you appointments to get loans, purchase, refi, HELOCs, but you are not doing it. Someone behind the scenes, Brianna, is doing that, and she can call 5,000 people at the exact same time. So you have the ability to be touching your database much more frequently.
We might have different rates and programs available that could help you save some money. Want to set up a quick chat with Team Owner to check?
And next thing you know, you get a notification that says so-and-so is on your calendar for this day and this time. And you make that phone call at that time and you just potentially got some new business. Brianna's gonna call from a local phone number. She's gonna identify yourself as part of Fairway and your specific team. So she calls and says, I'm calling on behalf of Team Nooner, and I just wanted to ask you some questions to see if it's a good time to set a call.
How about tomorrow at 3:45 p.m.?
So Brianna also is able to carry on a conversation. And when you say, hey, now's not a good time, she can say, okay, great, what is a good time? We are just scratching the surface of what her capabilities are. It's already been so successful. I can tell you that last month, I had 9 closings that I could dedicate specifically to Brianna. For someone that's afraid of technology, this is the easiest thing ever, okay? I check my email, I check my calendar, and I look in Total Expert. Those are the 3 things I do every day. It's nothing new to me. I am so glad I jumped in head first when this became available and didn't feed into my fears of this is new, I'm scared of it, because it has been amazing. I love it.